Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adewale Kuka, an MSc student of Robert Gordon University. Today, I'll be doing a demo of my project, Flying Shoes. This is a project for CMM007. Yes, and I will start first of all by ensuring my XAMPP is running, up and running. Yes, it is up and running. My XAMPP, Apache, and my SQL are up and running. So I'll minimize the screen and go to a web page, a blank web page, and I first of all go to localhost, and this is part to my project, Flying Shoes. On Flying Shoes, we have our welcome to Flying Shoes banner. I'll quickly describe the functionalities. Firstly, if I try to log in as a non-user, my name is Jack, and my password is 1234, and I log in, and it's saying correct credentials, reason because I do not have a login details. So the next step for me is to sign up in order to visit the cards. So my name is Jack, Jack, and the email is, let's use Jack Dan, yes, and the username, let's say Dan. Let's say the password is 1234 again, and 1234. When we sign up, you notice that the email, we call it Dan because it does not have the correct functionality for email. It's not go through. So it says choose a proper email. Even when we click on an empty field, it says fill in or empty field. Whichever fields that we leave empty is going to ask us to fill. So coming back again, Jack Dan is his name, the user's name, DAN, the email, we call it jack@gmail.com. The username, we call it Jack. Our system can allow a user to sign in with both email and the username. So signing up now, it will allow us to go through. So now you have signed up. Congratulations. Logging in, we call the name. We can use either username or email and password. So the username is Jack, Jack, and we call it Jack, and the password to 4, and we should be able to log in. Yes, we are in, and now we have our cards, we have our logouts, and we have our home screen. As a user, you can also visit the cards. So now visiting the cards, you have there is an existing image in our cards. Now we want to add a new image. We call it we call the title Nike. So shoe is what we are focused on today. So we want to use it use on dry days. So we want to choose our image, and we can choose whichever one we feel like choosing today. I want to choose the white one for the dry days, and now we upload. So we have our Nike used on dry days. So this is how we upload shoes on our carton gallery and our carton system. Yes, so the next is for the user to go back home, or the user logs out. So as a user, you can then log out. We'll try to sign in login using the email, which is jack@gmail.com, and the password remains the same, and now you're still in. One of the shortcoming of this project is that users cannot remove images after they've added it. It is only the admin who has the power to remove images. And now so in the cards, the user cannot remove images that they've added. So for the admin to remove image, the admin will go through the database, and the database is structured in such a way that we have different tables for different both users and the images that are placed. So on the flying show database, we have the table for the gallery and the table for the users. For the users, our passwords are secured and encrypted correctly. These are the users that are currently on the system. And now going back to the table or the gallery where the user can easily delete. So now we want to delete, and we can also delete this. So now we click on delete. So now we do not have any shows left in our database. If we should go back there and reload, there are no shows in the database. So thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.